Hi, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Julio from Grossmaster Painting Contractors CST and JG Multi Services and Home Improvement. Today we are in our project here in Ocean City. This is a full interior painting. It's a big house. We are in the process now to do we are repairing all the cracks, all the joints on the ceilings. As you can see, we are fixing all cracks around the walls and ceilings. It was around, this is the master bedroom right here. You can say here we replace all the taping around all the corners. This was in very bad shape. For this week, again, we're using no coat tape. This is the hardest taping to fix any crack on top of the ceilings and the joint. You can see how straight it looks. And this is the master bathroom here. Also the same, all the ceiling tape, all the corners, all the joints are replaced. So we finished, we need to come back here to do some sanding and get it ready for priming and painting. Let's follow me to here. This is the second floor. This is a nice view right here. You can see the lake right there in the front with the city, and all the lighting coming in. It goes down the stairway. So we have to fix this wall. We replace this corner section was cracked right here. We have to replace it. We're gonna do all the flooring too. And here we got the living area. This is the living room. It's saying